Welcome to BEC Docket Enterprise. In this short tutorial, we will review the new features and functionality in Docket Enterprise 4.1. In the most recent release, Docket Enterprise is even more tightly integrated with Outlook. Like Outlook, it requires a meeting organizer on every activity that is scheduled. Think of the meeting organizer as the key individual who is most responsible for an activity. As you can see, Meeting Organizer is a required field on both the Schedule Wizard and Schedule Express. The Outlook calendar item and the body text display the Meeting Organizer. The Schedule Viewer and all Docket Enterprise reporting tools do as well. Docket's use of a meeting organizer is beneficial because it is tied to the built-in Outlook functionality that you already use when you send a meeting request or accept one. The difference is, if you are included on a Docket activity as a required recipient, Docket Enterprise automatically accepts the meeting request on your behalf, and it is automatically synchronized to your calendar. Also, using a meeting organizer allows Docket Enterprise to take advantage of Outlook Exchange attendee tracking and free busy search, both of which are invaluable scheduling tools. Docket Enterprise Schedule Wizard is used to schedule or modify complete work plans. The wizard is a comprehensive tool, and many of its features have been improved in Docket 4. In the Schedule Wizard's activity task tree, you can right-click to copy recipients, assignments, and attachments from parent to child. And on the Reminders tab, a new button copies the parent activity's reminders to all dependent activities with one click. An improved free busy search informs you of conflicts for the recipients you are scheduling and provides the calendar information you need to find a suitable time. The free busy search can also show the availability of resources being scheduled on the Resource tab. This is possible because Docket is now integrated with your Exchange-based resource calendars. The Schedule Wizard's Links tab, formerly called the Attachments tab, has some helpful new features. Of course, you can add and open linked documents or websites from the tab. Now you can also click on the paperclip icon itself to open the first linked document. Also, when an activity has attachments, clickable links are added to the body text of the synchronized Outlook item. And one final Schedule Wizard enhancement. As you complete a scheduling entry and choose to send an email summary, that message now shows up in your own Sent folder in Outlook. The Schedule Express dialog, which was introduced in Docket Release 3, lets you quickly schedule one activity or task at a time. In Docket 4, the dialog's organization has been improved. There are now separate lists for the activity recipients and the email summary recipients, providing better flexibility for sending information to the people who need it. This checkbox pulls Matter default recipients automatically. The activity recipient list is also integrated with free busy information from Exchange. Other improvements to the dialog are better Matter identification in the banner bar, the ability to add a Matter note from the lightning bolt dropdown, and a button that takes you straight to the Matter itself. In addition to Activity Meeting Organizer, Docket also now uses Task Owner like Outlook does. This enhancement allows for two-way synchronization of the task status and priority fields. Yes, two-way synchronization. If you change a task status in Outlook, it will update Docket Enterprise and vice versa. The task owner is the only task recipient. This is an important change from Docket 3, where a task could have more than one recipient. Because it applies to one person, the inherent progress tracking of a task is more useful. At the same time, a task is always part of a work plan, attached to a matter, and visible to the team, making tasks a collaboration tool as well as a personal productivity. Docket Enterprise 4 is equipped with automatic workflows for changes to activity status. The key advantage to automated workflows is that closed completed activities and their reminders are removed from individual calendars, but not from Docket Enterprise. They remain in the database and can be resynchronized to Outlook calendars at any time. Docket 4 provides some new and quick ways to access information. First, new Recent Activities and Recent Tasks buttons let you go back to your most recently scheduled items. These can be found under My Dashboard on the Correlate ribbon and the BEC Correlate Suite menu. Secondly, you can open the Schedule Viewer directly to a practice, in addition to all the other built-in schedule views. This enhancement provides another way for you to take advantage of the matter and calendar data in your database for practice group management purposes. Finally, there are also updates to Docket's built-in reports. For example, the User Summary Report has a new detailed format choice. It is landscape and provides a printable list of a specific user's activities, tasks, and reminders in a specified date range and including client and matter name and ID. The outstanding Outlook integration of Docket Enterprise is available for all recent versions of Office, including Office 365 with Hosted Exchange or Hybrid Exchange. It provides secure replication of your critical dates from the Docket database to Exchange mailboxes in the cloud or on-premise. The Schedule Synchronization Service, which is responsible for keeping the Docket database and all recipients' Outlook calendars in sync with each other, is also improved in Release 4. The sync service now has very thorough error logging and a priority queue. The priority queue ranks all pending items for synchronization. This ensures that comprehensive scheduling orders are synchronized efficiently and bulk updates are handled in a timely manner, but they do not interfere with the up-to-minute scheduling being done all the time in your firm. If you subscribe to Calendar Rules for court information, you should know the Calendar Rules update workflow has been improved in Docket 4. When rule changes apply to already scheduled dates, Docket provides notifications and the ability to accept or reject each change. Thank you for your time. For more information about BEC Docket Enterprise 4.1 or other solutions in the Correlate suite, please visit us at beclegal.com or call 800-948-4810.